Welcome to our exploration of graphic design and creative services. In this video, we'll dive into the world of visual communication, where ideas, concepts, and information come to life through various mediums. Let's get started. Graphic design. Graphic design is the art of crafting visual elements for both print and digital media. Graphic designers create logos, brochures, flyers, posters, packaging, websites, social media graphics, and more. They possess skills in layout design, typography, color theory, and digital software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. They can collaborate directly with clients or work through design agencies and online platforms. Web design. Web design, a subset of graphic design, focuses on creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites. Web designers combine graphic design skills with HTML, CSS, and web development knowledge. They collaborate closely with clients to understand branding and website goals, sculpting designs that brings the client's vision to life. Freelancing platforms. Freelance graphic designers use the platforms like 99 Designs, Dribbble, and Behance. These platforms host design contests, enable freelancers to bid on projects, and provide a space where the clients can discover and hire designers directly. It's a great way for designers to showcase their portfolios and connect with potential clients. Graphic design is just its beginning. Creative services. Creative services encompass illustration, animation, video editing, and photography. These skills can stand alone as services or complement graphic design, offering comprehensive visual solutions. Whether it's creating illustrations, animating videos, or capturing stunning photographs, creative services add depth and richness to visual storytelling. Pricing and contracts. When it comes to pricing, graphic designers typically charge per project or by the hour. The cost varies based on the complexity of the design, usage rights, and client's budget. Contracts play a vital role in outline project specifics, deliverables, timelines, revisions, and payment terms. It's important to discuss copyright and ownership rights to ensure clarity for both the designer and the client. Conclusion. Graphic design and creative services are the language of visuals, where ideas take form and stories come to life. Whether you're a graphic designer crafting captivating visuals or an artist offering creative services, you're a part of a dynamic world where imagination knows no bounds. Join us in exploring the power of visual communication and unleash your creativity. Thank you.